got the trailer. Plan on taking the grapple off the loader. I'm gonna go start this, let it warm up, and then work on getting that pin out and the hoses off. Well, the guard's off. I got these hoses all capped and off. Now I just got to go ahead and try to get this nut out up here. I want to take the dog bone and grapple out together, so that way when I put it back together, I'm going to add some spaces in here. The grapple's unhooked. I got the pin out, sitting there on the trailer. I think I'm going to go ahead and put the pin back in it so I don't lose it. Hook a chain to it, and then we'll set it up on the trailer. Grapple's all tied down on the trailer, ready to take it home. Got quite a bit of repairs to do to it, leaky cylinder and a bunch of other little updates. So, all right guys, thanks for watching.